Learn Up TV, where learning is a joyful adventure. Hello, little learners. Today we are going on a fantastic journey to discover the magical sounds of the alphabet. Are you ready? Yeah, let's dive right in. Do you know that each letter of the alphabet has a special sound, just like magical spell? Yes, let's explore them one by one. First up is the letter A. When you say A, it makes the sound A, just like an apple. A is for apple. Say it with me. Apple. Good job. A is for alligator. Alligator. Just repeat after me. Good job, alligator. A is for astronaut. Astronaut. Good job. Repeat after me. Good job. Now let's meet the letter B. When you see B, it says B. Yes, just like in ball. B for, yes, ball. Can you say ball? Good job. Repeat again. Ball. Good job. B is for book. Book. Good job. Repeat again. Book. Good job. B is for basket. Basket. Good job. Next, we have C. When you spot C, it makes the sound K. Yes, just like in cat. Try K. Good job. Now say with me. Cat. Yes, C is for cat. K. Good, cat. C is for cake. Yes, Good, cake. Repeat it again. C for cake. Good job. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillar. Good job. And time for some magic practice. I will show you a letter and you tell me the sound. Are you ready? Yes. What's the sound of that letter? That's right. A for A. Look who's here. Is the letter D. D make the sound da. Yes, just like in dog. Can you do the? Good job. Now repeat after me. D is for dog. Now you have to say D is for the dog. Good job. D is for doll. The doll. Good job. D is for drum. The drum. Let's make some drum music sound and enjoy the drums. Here comes E. E says just like in elephant. Try it. Now repeat after me. Elephant. E is for elephant. And do you know that Elephant have a big nose and it drinks water from its nose. Okay, let's move on to another E word, which is E is for egg. Egg. Good job. E is for eagle. Eagle. This eagle looks so angry in the video. Okay, let's move on. Now, let's meet F. When you see F, it makes sound f. Just like in fish. Say f. Well done. Now repeat after me. Fish. F is for fish. F is for flamingo. Flamingo. F is for flower. Yes, flower. Just repeat after me. Flower. Good job. And this flower looks so happy. Why he's so happy? Maybe he saw a sun. That's why. And it looks like a sunflower. Bye bye sunflower. And ready for some more magic. What's the sound of this letter? Yes, K for C. You are getting the hang on it. Meet G. G says G. Just like in goat. Can you do G? Yes, G. Amazing. Let's repeat it. G, goat. G is for G, good. Good job. G is for glass. G, glass. Why this glass looks so dizzy? Oh, maybe it's broken from its corner. That's why it's so dizzy. G, glass. Don't wiggle around. And eating giraffe. Yes, G is for giraffe. G, giraffe. Hey, stop eating. You get fat. Don't eat so much. Repeat. G, giraffe. Here is H. H makes the sound H. Just like in house. Try it. House. Good job. Now repeat after me. House. Good job. H is for hat. Hat. Repeat after me. Hat. Good job. H is for heart. Heart. Good job. Heart. You can see the heart is so smiley and so happy. Why it's happy? Because you're making sound. Sound. Whenever you say it's start dancing and it's so happy. Now let's discover I. I says E. Just like in igloo. Say igloo. Well done, champs. Let's repeat it. I is for igloo. Good job. I is for iguana. Good. Iguana. I is for insects. Insects. Good job. You are doing amazing. What's the sound of this letter, right? Good. D for D. You're a letter sound magician. Now, jumping for joy is the letter J. J says J, just like in jump. Can you say J? Good. Now repeat after me. J, j, jump. J, jump. Good job. J is for juice. J, j, good, juice. J, j, juice. J is for jacket. J, j, jacket. Good job. Kicking into action with K. K makes the sound K. Yes, K. Just like in kite. Try K. Excellent. Repeat after me. K, K, kite. K is for kite. You have to say K, K, kite. Good. K is for kangaroo. Say it. K, K, kangaroo. K is for key. K, K, key. Good job. K, key. Good one. Look who's next. It's L. And L says L. Good. Just like in lion. Say L. Amazing. Repeat after me. L, L, lion. L is for lion. Good job. L is for lamp. L, lamp. L, L, lamp. And why this lamp is jumping? Maybe she wants that someone will switch it on. L is for ladybug. L, L, good, ladybug. L, ladybug. Good job. You're doing fantastic. What's the sound of this letter? That's right. Ha. Ha for edge. Do you remember? We have repeated that. H for horse. Good. You're a letter sound master now. Meet M. M make the sound ma. Good. Ma. Just like in monkey. Can you do ma? Good job. Repeat after me. Ma, ma. Good, monkey. M is for ma. Monkey. Good. M is for moon. Ma. Moon. Yes. Ma, ma. Good, moon. M is for good, mango. Ma, ma. Mango. Yes, repeat. Ma. Good, mango. Now let's discover N. N says na. Good, na. Yes, just like in nest. Try it. Na. Na. Good, well done. Repeat after me. Na. Na. Nest. N is for na. Good, nest. N is for nurse. Na. Nurse. Yes. Na. Na. Nurse. Good job. N is for nose. Say na. Nose. Yes. Na. Na. Nose. Hey, hey, don't put your finger in the nose. Is that good? Yes. Na. Na. Nose. O is next. O says oh, good. Just like in octopus. Say O. Oh, yes, octopus. Good little learners. Let's repeat. O. Octopus. O is for O. octopus. O is for all. Say O, O, all. Good job. O is for ostrich. O, O. Good. Ostrich. Repeat again. O, O. Ostrich. Hey ostrich, don't run so much. You will get tired. Where you want to go? Why you are so hurry? Good job. You are on fire. What's the sound of this letter? Yes, E for letter I. Keep up the great work. Say E. Good. E, E, igloo. Prepare for P. P make the sound P. Yes, just like in penguin. P, P. Can you say? Good. Repeat again. Good. P, P, penguin. P is for penguin. P is for pig. P, P, pig. Good job. Repeat again. P. Good job. P is for pencil. Say P. Pencil. Good job. P, P, pencil. Quacky Q is here. Q says quack, quack. Just like in queen. Yes, quack. Amazing. Now let's repeat it. Quack, quack, queen. Good job. Q is for quack, quack, queen. And Q is for quiet. Shh. Quack, quack, quiet. Yes. Don't be quiet. Say quack, quack, quiet. Good. Q is for quill. Good job. Quack, quack. Good. Cool. Good job. Let's race to R. R says ra, ra. Just like in rocket. Ra, ra, rocket. Well done. Can you repeat it after me? Good. Ra, ra, rocket. R is for rocket. And who wants to be an astronaut? Just raise your hand. Wow, when you work hard, you can be an astronaut. Okay, let's move on. R is for rabbit. R, R, rabbit. Good job. Repeat again. R, R, rabbit. R is for rainbow. R, R, rainbow. Good. R. Good. R, R, rainbow. And rainbow is so colorful. Amazing. What's the sound of this letter? Right, J. For J. You are a true letter sound magician now. J, J. Good. Jug. S, S. It's S. S makes the sound S, S. Just like snake. Can you do? Good. S, S. Snake. Great. Repeat after me. S, S. Snake. Snake looks so dangerous. Why is moving his tongue? Oh, it looks so dangerous. Okay, repeat after me. S, S. Snake. Go away, snake. I don't want you to be here. S is for sun. S, S. Sun. And sun looks so happy. Sun. Wait a second. I will repeat it again. S, S. Sun. Sun is so happy that you are learning the alphabet. Bye bye, sun. S is for shark. Yes. S, S. Shark. Shark. Good job. Time for T. T says ta. Good. Ta. Just like in turtle. Try ta. Ta. Excellent. Now repeat after me. Ta. Ta. Turtle. T is for ta. Ta. Turtle. Good job. T is for tree. Ta. Ta. Tree. Repeat again. Ta. Ta. Tree. T is for tomato. Ta. Good. Tomato. Ta. Ta. Tomato. And up next is U. U says just like in umbrella. 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 Say it. And good. Amazing. Repeat after me again. Umbrella. Good. U is for up. Up. Good job. Again. Good. Up. U is for underwater. Underwater. Repeat again. Underwater. Good job. Good. Keep it up. What's the sound of this letter? Right. That's K. Good. K is sound K. Good. You are a letter sound expert now. Vroom, vroom. With we. We makes the sound woo, woo, woo. Just like in van. Van. Can you do Amazing. Now repeat after me. V is for yes. Van. Good job. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. Repeat again. Vegetables. Good job. You have to keep the vegetables in your diet, okay? Whenever you come and the school and you have to bring the vegetables. Vegetables are so necessary, okay? Repeat again. Vegetables. And V is for violin. Violin. Good job. Whirling into W. W says V. Yes, V sound. Just like in whale. Whale. Say V. Good job. Now repeat after me again. Whale. Good job. Whale is a giant creature in the ocean. So repeat again. Whale. Good job. And W is for watch. Watch. Repeat after me. Good. Watch. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. Good job. Repeat again. Watermelon. Amazing. X marks the spot. X says x sound. Yes, just like in X-ray. Try x. Amazing. Repeat after me. X-ray. X-ray. Good. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Repeat after me. Xylophone. Don't dance on the xylophone music. X is for X, X, X-ray fish. X, X, X-ray fish. Good. You're doing amazing. And what's the sound of this letter? Yes, S, S for S. You're mastering these sounds now. Yippee for Y. Y says yeah, yeah, just like in yogurt. Can you say yeah? Good, great job, little learners. Now let's repeat it. Yeah, yeah, yogurt. Yes, yeah, yogurt. Good job. Y is for yo-yo. Yes, say yeah, yeah, yo-yo. Yeah, yeah, yo-yo. Good job. Y is for yarn. Yeah, yeah, yarn. Good. Repeat again. Yeah, yeah, yarn. Good. Z is the last letter. Z sounds Z. We can see Z or we can say Z. Z said Z, just like in zebra. Z, Z. Say Z, Z, zebra. Excellent. Now repeat after me. Z, Z, zebra. Z is for zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Z is for zero. Z, Z, zero. Z, Z, zero. Z is for zoo. Z, Z, zoo. Z, Z, zoo. Good job. Fantastic job, young letter sound explorers. You're now journal through the entire alphabet of sounds. Keep practicing and you will be reading and spelling like true word wizards. Good job. Bye bye from now.